This is the question number 13 of GATE 2012 Metallurgical Engineering. The question states that during LD blow in steel making, the impurity that gets removed first is option A carbon, option B phosphorus, option C manganese, and option D silicon. Now let us solve this question. All the impurity mentioned on the options are removed by the oxidation in LD steel making process. As you can see from the reactions, carbon react with the dissolved oxygen and it removes as CO2 in the gaseous form, and phosphorus, manganese and silicon all reacts with the dissolved oxygen and form their corresponding oxides. Depending on the nature of the oxide, either it is acidic or basic, it will combine with lime or silica, and it will goes to the slag. It will form slag. So now, as you can see, all the impurities are removing by the oxidation reactions. So which impurity has higher affinity towards oxygen, that will remove first. This can be understood from the Ellingham diagram. The Ellingham diagram is basically shows the stability of the oxides. It is a plot of delta G of formations of the oxides versus temperature. So which delta G line of formation of any oxides lie at the bottom or at the below, that oxide is more stable. So that means lower oxides are the stable one, while the higher metals are the stable one. So now if you see here, the delta G line for the formation of silicon oxide lie below the MnO formation or P2O5 formation line. So that means silicon oxide is more stable oxide as compared to MnO and P2O5. So silicon, that's why during LD steel making, silicon will get removed first. If you also see the weight percent of the impurity that are present versus blowing time in the LD steel making, you can see that the most of the silicon get removes within the first 20% of the total blowing time. So in this question, it was asked that during LD steel making, which impurity gets removed first. So the correct answer will be option D.